What really happens when you do 50 squats every single day? At first, it might sound too simple to make a difference, but your body tells a very different story. In the first week, you'll feel muscle soreness, especially in your thighs and glutes. That's a good sign. It means your muscles are waking up, adapting, and getting stronger. Your legs may feel tired, but you'll also notice better balance and slightly improved posture. By week 2, your lower body strength starts to improve. Everyday movements, like climbing stairs, standing up, or walking longer distances, feel easier. Your glutes become more activated, your core tightens naturally, and your body begins burning more calories even at rest. By week 3, changes become visible. Your legs look firmer, your glutes more lifted, and your overall endurance improves. Squats increase blood flow, support joint health, and improve mobility, which is especially important as you age. After 30 days, consistency pays off. While squats alone won't magically burn all body fat, they help boost metabolism, improve insulin sensitivity, and build lean muscle, key factors for fat loss. Many people also notice better confidence, improved athletic performance, and stronger knees and hips. However, form matters. Poor technique can cause knee or lower back pain. Keep your chest up, push through your heels, and control every rep. And remember, rest and nutrition are just as important as the workout itself. So, will 50 squats a day transform your body? If you stay consistent, focused, and patient, the answer is yes. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And make sure to set the bell icon on all, so you never miss a new motivational video.